Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn amazing garbage trucks. Are you ready? Let's get started. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more fun learning videos. Front loader garbage truck. This is a front loader garbage truck. It lifts large waste bins from the front. Rear loader garbage truck. This is a rear loader garbage truck.
Yay!
It collects trash from the back. Side loader garbage truck. This is a side loader garbage truck.
Yay!
It picks up bins from the side. Recycling truck. This is a recycling truck.
Yay!
It collects recyclable materials. Compactor truck. This is a compactor truck.
Yay!
It crushes trash to save space. Dumpster truck. This is a dumpster truck.
Yay!
It carries large dumpsters. Roll-off truck. This is a roll-off truck.
Yay!
It transports large waste containers. Mini garbage truck. This is a mini garbage truck.
Yay!
It collects trash in small streets. Street sweeper. This is a street sweeper.
Yay!
It cleans roads and streets. Vacuum truck. This is a vacuum truck.
Yay!
It sucks up liquid waste and debris. Sewer cleaning truck. This is a sewer cleaning truck.
Yay!
It cleans underground sewer pipes. Waste collection truck. This is a waste collection truck.
Yay!
It collects household waste. Recycling pickup. This is a recycling pickup.
Yay!
It collects recyclable items from homes. Organic waste truck. This is an organic waste truck.
Yay!
It carries food and garden waste. Bulk waste truck. This is a bulk waste truck.
Yay!
It collects large and heavy waste items. Skip loader truck. This is a skip loader truck.
Yay!
It lifts and transports skip bins. Hook lift truck. This is a hook lift truck.
Yay!
It loads and unloads large containers. Bin carrier truck. This is a bin carrier truck.
Yay!
It transports waste bins safely. Container truck. This is a container truck.
Yay!
It carries large waste containers. Refuse truck. This is a refuse truck.
Yay!
It collects and transports garbage. Brush collection truck. This is a brush collection truck.
Yay!
It collects tree branches and yard waste. Leaf collection truck. This is a leaf collection truck. It's fallen leaves from streets. Waste transfer truck. This is a waste transfer truck. It moves waste to recycling centers or landfills. Tank cleaning truck. This is a tank cleaning truck. It cleans large storage tanks. Smart garbage truck. This is a smart garbage truck. It uses smart technology to collect waste efficiently.